In our previous class, we mentioned something about the box model. So here is it. We just a recap on it. We have a text block inside a box, and a box represents anything from a one-line text to something bigger in HTML. So we have this a text block inside, then the line, the marketing, the outside from the inside is called the border, while the space inside is called padding and the space outside is called margin. So if you need more space inside, then you have to increase the padding. If you need more space or less space outside, you increase or reduce your margin respectively. So today we are going to move a bit out of that. We are going to talk about the hex values of HTML. Recall that when we developed a small website yesterday, in our last tutorial, we had to call color blue, color green, color red, instead of having hex values like hash F00. So the way we implement the F value is very simple. So we have the first value to be R, the second one, R represents green, red, second one green, that's G, the third one blue, that's B, as shown in this diagram. So we have, if we have F, 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 so it means highest value of red, highest value of green, highest value of blue. So when they are at their highest values, that's lighter, it becomes white. Okay, you see this arrow here, just shows that the higher you go, the lighter it becomes. So lighter. So as you grow in this arrow, it goes lighter. So if we needed, for example, red background, then we would just have an F, then we have 0. We would have something like this, F and then 0 and 0, because the first one represents red and then these ones are empty. Therefore, it should be full value of red and then none for green and blue. And then you put hash before it. So this color will give you exactly the red color. So again, as I was saying, as you move down this arrow, then you have a darker shade of the colors you are considering. So say 0F0, which is green, is very light green. If you needed a darker green, it could be something like 9, could be 090, something like that. So as we move down to this, when we get to A, we have FEDCABA. So after the A, we have 987 up to 0. So when we move to this 0, we have the three values to be 0, then it's completely black. So 000 hash 000 is black, while hash FFF is white. So we have colors in between. So the beauty of this is that you can have the exact shade of color you need, exact mixture of colors you need, without having to specify only the primary colors when you need them. F00 for that, then it's red. If we have 0F0, then we are talking about green. Okay, so sometimes you get 6 values for it, like 00, FF, and then 00. So it's either you use the shorthand version, which is just 3, or you use the longhand version with 6 values. So you can actually tune values like this and maybe 3 and 1, and you get the exact combination of the shade of color you need. So this gives us more, it gives us more flexibility to have the exact shade of colors we need. So that's how to use hex values in our HTML.